This is a 4-pack of SMA gender adapters. I was sent these to review for free. If you wanted to buy them, it cost you just under $8. So in the 4-pack, you get 2 of the male-to-males and 2 of the female-to-female adapters. And these guys are just designed, if you need to attach a radio to an antenna with the wrong type of connector or a cable where it doesn't quite work out for you, you can just change from, male to male or female to female. So that's essentially all they're for, is like if you need to connect 2 male items together at once. So they appear to be well made. The male-to-males have this guy that screws on both ends. The females are just the threads. And I don't have a VNA to confirm that they're 50 ohms here, but I don't see any reason something this small and short, looks almost certainly just a straight pass-through here, will have any impact on your impedance. So for example, this radio has an SMA Male connector, and if I wanted to connect an SMA Male antenna to that, I could just screw this guy in and screw the antenna onto that guy.